How to log in to your Temu account. Whether you are checking an order or browsing for deals, logging in is quick and easy. Launch your Temu app. You can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store. Now, at the bottom, you'll find an option. Navigate to the option of View. Click on the option of Sign in or Register. Now here you'll need to type in your Temu account's credentials, email address, and the password, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or phone number. You can use these options given over here only in the case you have used these options to create your account, or else you can directly enter the credentials. I'm gonna type in my credentials directly. Once you type in, click on Continue. Now type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password or you have any issues logging into your account, you can use these options to resolve your issue. After you type in, click on Sign in. And just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your Temu account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.